For all you out there wondering if you can replace your 17, 18 and up 3.5 Ecoboost oil pump without taking off the oil pan, you can. Right here you see I've got all the timing set taken off. Right here is the oil pump. You can see the solenoid right there, the electronic connector. Right there is the oil pickup. Now, you can see right here that the front cover, or the timing cover, doesn't get bolted from underneath like the older engines. Once you take it off, stuff a rag right down in there. The oil pan is kind of flat on the front right there, but if you stuff a rag down there in there, that way if you drop the wrench, then you'll be able to retrieve it. I placed a magnetic 5/16 socket. It's a magnetic, like would go into an impact drill driver. You can see the end right there, and it's going up back behind there. And then I'm using a 1/4 inch wrench like this one, and going underneath, all the way underneath it, and then turning it from the side underneath it just like this, and then just doing a little bit at a time to get it out. Now, I was wondering if a 1/4 inch, or I mean a 5/16 like a gear wrench or something with a swivel head would fit down through here, but my gear wrench set did not have a swivel head 5/16. I think the smallest was 3/8, so I couldn't tell. It looks like it may work right here if you took a swivel head and get it down in there back behind there, but once you get that 5/16 bolt back there, this one here is easy. You can see this right there slides off. I've got the little bitty wrench in there. I use a screwdriver, put it up in there like that, and then pry it on it to break the initial torque on the inside bolt. Once you break it loose, you can actually get up in there with your fingers. If I can get my camera to focus, and you can turn it. And once you get the bolt loosened up quite a bit, you're going to have to take the magnetic bit off. So you can just reach your finger up in there, take the bit off. It may be kind of tough, and the reason why you got to take it off is because it hits the pin. I'm going to get my magnetic retriever to get my socket out of there. See right there? So once you get that rear bolt down with your fingers, you get your magnetic retriever again, just let it drop down in the pin. That's the reason why you got the rag there. And that's where you get the bolt out at. The front one, you can just get a regular old 1/4 inch ratchet and 5/16 socket to get it out. So once you get your two 5/16 bolts out and your 4 10mm out, you'll want to push the oil pickup tube down and that way, because there's a little molding right there. So once you pull it down, just take your screwdriver right here, pop it down, kind of push it back. Once you do that, then you can just wiggle the oil pump. Now if it gets caught, then just push that on down, but it'll slide out just like that, and you'll be able to remove your oil pump off from your 3.5 Ecoboost.
And this is what a oil pump looks like on the newer, like 17, 18 and up Ford 3.5 Ecoboost engine. Yeah, this one is also pretty pricey, and it's not available at the local parts store, so of course I had to go to Ford to get it. Man, this sucker is heavy. It's really thick, a heavy oil pump. I do suggest, you know, if you have that many miles on it, especially like this one has 170,000, if you're going to go into the timing set, just change your oil pump so you don't have to do it later, because it's a lot of time to get to the timing set, and for another whatever hour of work.
Hey everybody, thank you for watching today's video. We'll see you in the next video, and make sure to watch some of my dad's other videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh wait, make sure to like it, share it, tell your friends about the video, and see you in the next video. Bye!